Guys, welcome to Intellect Digest. I'm your host Rohit Khurana. Let's get started with this episode. In this video, we'll give you unboxing and features review of the DV Care Home Security Camera. This security camera is very versatile and comes loaded with very useful features. I will talk about these features in detail in this video. Let's first open the box and show you the box contents. In the box, you get the security camera, a BIS certified charging adapter, data cable, wall mounting kit, user manual and warranty card. It comes with 1 year of standard warranty, and if a customer faces a problem with camera, he or she can contact the service center via email for after sales support. Talking about the camera sensors, it comes with a high quality 1080p Full HD video quality. It also has night vision technology with inbuilt light sensors to detect when it is dark around. The DV Care Home camera is very useful to watch over kids, pets, indoor home security, and can also be used in stores. The wall mounting kit is included in the box so that you can mount it on the wall or even a ceiling as required. You can also mount it upside down if you are mounting it on a ceiling. It has very useful motorized feature which helps to physically rotate the camera remotely using the app on your phone to cover 355 degrees of horizontal range. The camera can also be tilted up and down, giving 110 degrees of vertical range, which other conventional security cameras cannot do. DV Care is Wi-Fi enabled and connects to your Wi-Fi using standard 2.4 GHz network, which makes it a connected smart camera. However, please note that if you have a dual band router which supports both 2.4 and 5 GHz, the camera is capable of connecting only to 2.4 GHz. So please check your Wi-Fi router if it has a 2.4 GHz signal or not. If not, then the camera will not connect to that router. It also has a built-in speaker and microphone which makes it capable of two-way audio function, which allows to talk to the person in front of the camera. This helps you not only to keep an eye on the place where you install it, but also you can communicate with your family, employees or pet, whosoever is near the camera. It also has a night vision mode. The light sensor automatically checks the environment, and if it is dark enough, it will turn on the IR night mode, wherein you can get clear pictures and videos even when it is dark. Here is how you connect DV Care camera to your mobile app. Firstly, search for DV Care on Google Play Store or Apple App Store and download it. Registered with your mobile number or email address. Click on the plus symbol to add the camera. Click indoor and select DV Care before you move to the next step. Make sure your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi is online. Connect the DV Care camera to the power and follow the instructions on the app. It will automatically recognize the Wi-Fi signal. If not, please put the Wi-Fi name and proper Wi-Fi password in small case and uppercase as you have provided on your router. It must exactly match the password on your router. Then move to the next step and the camera gets connected. I'm also leaving links to the camera setup instructions in the description section if you face any difficulty. Now let's talk about the smart features which make this camera really useful. The camera comes with smart motion detection and human motion tracking. It can give you motion detection alerts for safety on the app via a push message. The human motion tracking makes the camera auto-rotate horizontally and follow the human movement. It can also record the video on SD card, which can be bought separately, and also on cloud storage if there is motion detection. It supports up to 128 gigs of micro SD card storage, which is placed under the camera ball as you can see on your screen. A typical 128 GB card can store 12 days and 64 GB can store around 6 days of recording respectively. User can choose between continuous or event recording, which works only when some motion is detected. To set the storage, just click on the symbol on the upper right of the camera interface. In the storage setting, you will find it how to set it for the storage properly. Please note that if you have not inserted an SD card into the camera, it will not allow you to store on SD card storage because a card is needed and the card has to be bought separately. It is not provided with the camera. There is also an option to record on the cloud storage, but the storage is optional and sold separately. You can connect to the camera from anywhere across the world using the DV Care app, which lets you securely connect to your DV Care camera using Android or iOS. Summarizing the features review, DV Care is one of the most versatile and best value for money home security cameras. With smart motion detection, two-way audio, 355-degree field of view and high quality video recording. It is highly recommended if you are looking to buy a home security camera. If you want to pick up one for yourself, I am leaving Best Buy links in the description section below where you can get one for the Best Buy price. If you enjoyed watching this video, give us a thumbs up. Do let us know in the comment section below what you think about this, and do share your suggestions. Subscribe for more such videos. This is your host Rohit Khurana signing off. Thanks for watching.